Leg injuries and disorders. Introduction. The bones and muscles in the leg help the leg to move. Select true or false. Correct. Can leg pain affect the entire leg? Select yes or no. Correct. Leg pain may affect the entire leg or just one area. It may be severe enough to affect your ability to walk or to put weight on your leg. Paige fell while playing soccer yesterday. She has been able to put weight on her leg, but she has swelling around her calf. Her leg also hurts. Should she see her healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Paige should see her healthcare provider to find out what is causing her symptoms. She may have injured her leg when she fell. Diseases can affect the blood vessels in the legs, causing problems. Select true or false. Correct. Problems in the veins in your legs can lead to varicose veins or deep vein thrombosis, or DVT. Problems with the blood vessels can also lead to peripheral artery disease, or PAD. How can you take care of your legs at home? Choose one of the following options. 1. Avoid crossing your legs when sitting. 2. Maintain a healthy weight. 3. Wear comfortable and supportive shoes and socks. 4. All of the above. Correct. Treatment for a broken leg bone depends on how severe the break is and where it is located. Select true or false. Correct. Broken bones may be treated with a cast or splint. Sometimes surgery is needed to put in plates, pins, or screws to keep the bone in place. Thank you for using Explain.